Casey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make very easy zucchini noodle pasta. And something I love about this recipe is that you can purchase all the ingredients for just one person by shopping for them at your Whole Foods or a different store's salad bar rather than buying the ingredients in whole packages. Today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes, and I will see you next time. Bye.